Hey everyone, welcome to CJ Pony Parts. Today we'll be working through another install, walking you through the process step by step so you can tackle it with confidence. We'll show you everything you need to know, from any prep, tools you'll need to do the job, or fitment to get the perfect look, plus a few helpful tips to make your install go smoothly. Let's get it in gear and get started. Today we're installing these Attica 4x4 Rogue Series Flush-Mount Taillights on this 2023 Bronco. We're showing off the smoked lens version today, a more aggressive, stealthy look, but we also carry these with a clear lens if you prefer a cleaner finish. Both options utilize advanced Osram LED technology for better visibility and feature a sharp, dynamic, sequential turn signal. These are designed specifically for Broncos with factory LEDs, providing a high-end flush mount appearance that flows perfectly with the body lines. They're IP67 waterproof and they're completely plug and play, so you're getting a major style upgrade without any permanent modifications. The tools you will need will be a Phillips head screwdriver, a pry tool like this, a 10mm socket, an 8mm socket.
Start by unscrewing these panel clips. Some screws will start out, others you may have to use the pry tool to remove them. Once all of them are removed, remove the 10mm bolts and this trim panel will pop right out. To remove the corner of this quarter panel, it takes force pulling out and slightly upward. The fenders are easy, just by flipping these tabs the opposite direction and pulling straight out. Back to the taillight. You'll remove the bolt on the bottom and both on the side using the 10mm socket. Pull the paint match trim by pulling straight out. Now that the trim is off, you can use your 8mm socket to remove the bolts holding in the tail light. Pro tip: unplug the light before removing it from the Bronco. It makes it just a little bit easier. And just like that, the tail light should pop out. To install the new taillights, plug in the wiring harness and start by reinstalling those 8mm bolts. Reinstall your paint match trim piece, then the 10mm bolts, then your quarter panel corner. Next is to reinstall the trim piece, making sure it is pushed fully into place, and then putting the 10mm bolt back in and replacing the retainer clips. Pro tip on replacing the retainer clips: by removing the screws from the base and then insert the base into the Bronco and then twist your screws in. After that, you'll want to replace your fender and twist those clips back into their secured position. Then you're ready to move on to the passenger side. Repeat all of these steps and be sure to be careful when you're removing the trim pieces and panels around the wiring that goes into the swing out tailgate.
That wraps up this install. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss any future installs, product spotlights, or event coverage. Got questions or want to show off your ride? Drop a comment or tag us in social media. We love to see what you're building. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.